Welcome children. Let's resume exercise 12.2. In today's session, we will discuss fourth question. The fourth question is, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? What do you understand from the question? Read again. What should be added? What should be added to? That means something they are asking, what should be added to some number. What should be added to? To what? To x square plus xy plus y square. To obtain. To obtain means to get or the result. What will be the result? 2x square plus 3xy. Here they are asking you that if you add some number, what is that number? If you add to this number, you will get the result as 2x square plus 3xy. I hope you have understood what is the question. So now let me do it like this. Make a box. So what should be added? We have done this type of questions before also. Let it be x or let it be a box only. What will you do? You want to find out this value. So, what about these two? How will you solve? Children, transposition. See, this is not known. Let it be x or let it be v plus something is given. Yes, and here also something is given. You want to find out the value of this. So, when you want to find the value of this, what should you do? With this value is attached. So, we will de-attach it. That means transpose. So, plus this value, when you transpose it to other side, this will become minus that value. Understood? Please, when you are watching the video, take your pencils and do these rough works so that you are able to understand what we have done and why we have done. So, first thing is, again recall yesterday's session. We have discussed in detail that if we want to add or subtract the algebraic expressions or the terms, what should we do? First step is to put the bracket. Second step is you will open the bracket. Third step is arrange them in like terms. Fourth step is you will simplify. So, let's begin. We got the equation. We have made this equation. Let me write down this again. What is this? X square plus xy plus y square. Okay. First step was step number 1. Put bracket. So, what will you do, children? Take out your pencils and around this you put a bracket. Let's move. You will see what should be added. You have to send this expression that side. So, what is there already? We will copy it first as it is. This is not going anywhere. This is still at right hand side. So, you write down 2x square plus 3xy. We have to transpose this term because what do we want? We want only this value. Okay, we want this value. We don't want this one. So, we will transpose that side. So, this plus bracket will become minus the expressions inside this as it is x square plus xy plus y square. Y square above y. Right? Now, what will you do? Open the bracket. Again, see, if outside the bracket you have no sign or plus sign, what do? We copy the terms as it is. See, no sign means plus sign. And the story I have told you. What is that story? Let me revise. The story is that no sign means there is a plus sign. So, plus sign is a guest. Plus sign will go to this house. This is a house, okay? This is a house. And in this house, two people are living at different rooms. They are living in different rooms. So, plus will go and need 2 but plus is a sign. Why will plus meet the number? The plus sign will mean its sign only. No sign means plus. Plus into plus. See, plus 2x square. Again, then from here it will not go. It is a, see, here it's block. Log. Then 2x square will say, you have to meet this one. Go back. Again go from the other side and meet 3xy. But plus sign will go to this room and meet 3xy sign. What is 3xy having? Plus. Plus into plus, plus 3xy. See, it will be same. This is why I told you that we have discussed yesterday in detail. What was here? Here you had, 2x square plus 3xy. So we have understood that there is no sign. You can copy the terms as it is. But yes, if you have a negative sign outside the bracket, that means you will write down the terms. Write the term x square, xy and y square. But what about the sign? Here what sign x square is having? No sign means a plus sign. So when you have a negative sign, sign will get changed. So instead of plus x square, this will become minus. Here it's a plus sign, this will become minus. Here it's a plus sign, this will become minus. And why it happens? We have discussed. See, minus multiplied by plus, minus into plus, minus. Again, the same story. Minus sign is against. Now it will go to xy's room. Xy is having plus sign. Minus into plus, minus. Again, the guest will go and meet y square. Y square is having plus sign. Plus into minus, minus. Understood? So we got it. Now we will rewrite it and arrange it in like terms. Let's see. We got what should be added. Let's check. What is the term, children? Tell. X square plus 3xy minus, this is x square minus xy minus y square. So what we have done? We have put the bracket and then we have opened the bracket. So what was the next step? Let us recall. Put the bracket, open the bracket. Then ALT. We will not start with the simplification now. Arrange them in like terms. Let's check x square. See, x square, here I have any other term with x square? Yes. Copy it with sign x square. Any other term with x square? No. Move to the next one. This also we have taken. This is 3xy. Any other term? See, when we say like terms in algebraic expression, that means you will focus only on the variables. Variables should be same. कोई भी नंबर, कोई भी साइन, doesn't matter. सिर्फ xy ढूंढ लो, फैमिली ढूंढ लो. Take it as a surname. ये इनका surname है xy. Any other surname like this? Yes. Mr. minus xy. Done. Now what are you left with? Only y square. Copy it as it is. Now we can simplify. See, these two we can take. These two also from one family. Same surname, same surname. See, difference in sign. Law of addition says, if they have different sign, what do? Subtract. So coefficient here is 1. Bigger minus smaller. 2 minus 1, 1. Variable, surname, वैसे के वैसे it will be there. Okay, don't change the surname. Now, what about the sign? PGS. Put greater number sign. Again come to this. See, difference in sign. So here also we will subtract. Coefficient is 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. What about the sign? Put greater number sign. PGS is put greater number sign. So this will become 2. 2 I have written x, y and sign will be plus. And what is here? Minus y square. So if there is a plus sign, it means simply, or 1 also means 1. No need to write the coefficient. X square plus 2xy minus y square. So what was the question? What should be added? So this should be added to get that number. So do remember, if you have doubt that whether the answer is correct or not, do the same thing. X squared plus 2xy minus y squared, and we were asked to add to that number. So you take that number with which what should be added, I have rubbed. So you write down that number and you will get 2x squared plus 3xy. Understood? So copy the solution for this question, and before copying the solution, please make it sure that you have understood the concept. Now same way, if you have a question, children, these type of questions we have discussed before also. Now instead of what should be added, if you get a question, what should be subtracted? Remember children, I am giving you some easy examples. What should be added? See, to something to get something. So always do these questions with some examples in your mind and make it in a picture form. What should be added? What should be added? We don't know. To some number, to this number, to get some number or expression. So what is missing here? This, and adding means plus. So we will transpose plus n that side. So this will become their minus. Understood? So whenever it is what should be added to something, what we do to get, with which you will get, you subtract it. Remember, always do it like this. What should be added to? This way, you know, it's very easy to understand that what we are doing. Now, if the question is what should be subtracted, let's check. What should be subtracted? Let's check. Take some number. Subtracted from, take 20 to get, take 40. Okay, it's more now. Wait. What should be subtracted from 20 to get 15? Suppose I write 40 also, doesn't matter. Okay. We will transpose it and we will get in integer form. Let's see. What should be subtracted from? Acha. From में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You know, I have explained you many times. From is that magical tail. From. This M has a magical tail. And what is the magic? The magic is to whichever number this tail points to, that will come in first position. Yes or no? I have explained you with the example long back also. A from B. So from means minus. So some will do A from B. Some may do. But will my children do? No. Why will they not do? Because from B, magical tail is pointing to B. That means from B you have to subtract A. Understood? So here one thing is clear, that if it is asked what should be subtracted from, मतलब किससे subtract कर रहे हैं? From. इससे कम करना है, इससे subtract करना है. So this will be, see, equation becomes from 20, what should be subtracted? From 20 to get 15. So what will you do? From means 20 will come first. This is a minus sign, and what should be subtracted? This will be the form. Now, what we have seen, let me explain you again what we will do in the next step. You have the fourth B part. I am explaining you, you do it. I am explaining you in detail, in best possible manner. Please try to understand. So we understood what should be subtracted from 20 if I want to get, take for example 15. This much you have understood. So what should be subtracted from? So 20 will come in first place. So 20 from means minus. What should I subtract? That I have to find out. Now check here. Here what I want. I want the value of only what should be subtracted. But with this, what is there? 20. Yes or no? And this is, see, this is minus. We don't want minus of this. We want only this. So what will you do, children? You will transpose this minus question mark that side. See, 20, 15 is there only. Let it be 15. You transpose this whole thing. Okay. So what will this become? Plus. It's okay now because the answer here is we want only box. But this is minus. Transpose that. Or one more thing you can do. First, we want box. So 20 here. You send this that side. That's why I was explaining you step by step. So let it be 15. It will go that side. But we don't want 15's value is already given. We want only question marks value. Send this 15 here. So plus 15 will become minus 15. What is the answer? 5. Understood? Now check the question. What should be subtracted from 20 to get 15 from this? इससे कम करना है. What is the answer? 5. Subtract 20 minus 5. Your answer is 15. Understood what you have to do? I am revising again. The B part you will do. See children, wherever you see you have a question of what should be subtracted from something to get something. So what you have to subtract from that number to get this you don't know. So this will come first. This is minus question mark is equals to that number. We want the value of question mark, not minus question mark. So transpose it that side. So this will come here. This will come here. So this will become this number. This number transpose that result this side in minus. You will get what should be subtracted. So please wherever I have box, write down the expression, put the expression, then you open, put it in bracket like this, then you open, arrange it in like terms, solve, simplify and show me the result. So please try the B part on your own. I have given you enough hints to solve. Let me see how many of my champions will do it on their own. God bless you children.